What's up, guys? My dogs are fighting like crazy, dog. I mean,
I taught my friend right here.
Yeah.
How to do it. He just
My dad used to do about.
Yeah.
How to do it.
Yeah, we didn't know. I ran out. I was like, he went inside and I just did it randomly.
Yeah,
so like, we're gonna show it.
Let's see the show. Come here, buddy. Roxy, come here.
To Pip, bulldog, right?
Boston Terriers.
Yeah.
Spidey. Look. Come on. Go.
Come together.
Come here. My bad.
Yeah. So sometimes like we have them right now fighting. Push them together. Hard.
All the Roxy. Look at me. Look at Bernie. Come on. Go.
Here.
They're not fighting
Let me try.
Alright.
That was like a total fail of me. My bad about that. Because like sometimes they get tired of like doing that and they just stop. So let's see if Kenny's gonna do it. Come on. Bernie, come on.
Hey, Bernie.
Come on. They're keeping up already, dude.
Alright.
Come on, Bernie.
Oh.
No, let them stick the nose first and then.
Oh.
Yeah. That's how you do it, yeah. Let me try here. One more second. Come here. Oh, that mama got him. Nice. Alright, this is how you do it. Just if you have two dogs, get them by the collars and make sure you grab like a little piece of skin. Like go around right here, grab it hard. Not hard, like just yeah, you can do it. No, you can do it like him, like not saying to me, but you can also go grab them from here by the collar. You pick them up, then you let them smell. Then you push them together and they'll start fighting. Yeah, make sure they're having their noses together and joining. Do not try that much at home. They know. You might get burned. I don't know. Be careful when you do it. Yeah, just be careful. And sometimes and don't put them like these dogs do. They hate each other. Like they fight though. And don't put them together at all. And close to each other. Yeah, but if your dogs really like each other, then don't do it because they're gonna turn against each other. Yeah, no, they already hate each other at the beginning. And when you're doing it, never put them too close to you. They might bite you. Yeah, they might bite your private. Yeah, private. Let's just say Bob. Okay, go. Banana. Can I do it again? If you guys want to see one more show, let's hit it. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh, dang. Oh, someone broke into someone's car. No. I'm just kidding.
Roxy.
Mistake. Go, Kenny.
Roxy. Oh, come on.
No, you gotta get both of them.
I don't know. I'm just trying to.
Pick them up.
Tired.
Wow.
You go.
Come here. Let me get on here.
Ready?
Okay, good stage.
Ready, Roxy? Go. Alright, that's it.
Yeah, we'll do it later. We'll post another video because they're tired. Oh, shit. What? Dude! What? I don't know what happened, but I got some blood on my arm right here.
Holy shoot!
I got some blood on my arm, dude. Oh my god. I swear, dude, I think Roxy's like on her period or something, man. I got some blood on me right now.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Hey, it's Bernie. He's bleeding from his lip.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Haha, Bernie got owned by a girl, man. Oh my god, he got owned by a girl. Look at that. Oh, you can't really see it. He's bleeding.
Yeah, because every time they fight, they always leave each other.
Yeah, they always, she always gets owned. Bernie, that dog was a boy dog. He always gets owned and he's a boy. Can you believe that?
Come on, man, boy. Oh, got a win here. Alright, guys, we'll see you later.
Yeah, see you later. Later.